Welcome to Sitaram International School. We create confident kids. Hello, dears. Yeah, how are you all? Yeah, very good. I hope you are all very well. Yeah, I also very well. Yeah. So, myself, Anto Rosita, I am going to take max class for you. Yes. Yeah, before starting this session, we have to one exercise. Okay. Yeah, in our school we should do the breathing and breathe out exercise. Okay, yeah, are you remember that? Yeah, I hope you are all doing in your daily life. Okay, yeah, shall we do in a breathing breathe out exercise? Yeah, we just take only 5 minutes to do this warm up. Okay, so sit properly and close your eyes. Yeah, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, yeah, you are doing very minutely. Okay, yeah. After 5 minutes, we have to start this session. Yeah, in this session, we are going to discuss about one newly thing, and this is very interesting for you. Okay, that is ratio and proportion. Okay, are you ready to discuss about it? Yes, nice. See, what's that? Yeah, chairs. Okay, there are two different types of chairs. Okay, see, in a first one is cinema hall seats, and second one is house chairs. Okay, yeah, one boy wants to go and saw one film in a cinema theater. Okay, after went out from the cinema theater, his father asked one question to the boy. What's that means? What is the difference between to see the cinema in a cinema theater and a house? After that, the boy replied that in our home we have only minimum number of chairs like 2, 3, 4 up to 6. But in a cinema theater there are lots of chairs. Okay, I can't compare in our home chairs and also the cinema theater chairs. So I am very confused at like that he replied. Okay, so how we can compare it? Yes, in this type we have to see in a session. Okay, see the objectives at the end of this lesson. You will be able to define ratio. So you should know what is the meaning of ratio. Okay, so then express the relation between two quantities values as a ratio. Then third one is identify the equivalent ratio. Then fourth one, divide quantities and values according to the ratios. And now fifth one is identify ratios in proportion. Then final one, use unitary method to find the value of one and many. Okay, so see, yeah, in before that we just take one short boy and one height boy. Okay, how can you compare it? Okay, what do you think uh, to see these kind of persons? Definitely we have to mention this boy is a height and that boy is short. After that we can identify their colors, smile, like some parts we have to vary it and differentiate it, right? So like this we have to using in a sum. Okay, so see here we just compared here their weights. See, the first boy is fat and second boy is just lean. Okay, the first boy is 38 kgs, the second boy is 35 kgs. Okay, so what is the difference between both of them? That is 3 kilo. Okay, so 3 kgs different. Okay, so Varun is heavier than Arun by 3 kgs. Okay, then yeah, we just bought two shirts. Okay, first one is pink. That the price of the pink shirt is 350 rupees. The blue shirt is 250. Okay, so how we can find out the difference? We just mention and find out the difference between these two shirts. Okay, so the pink shirt is costlier than the blue shirt by rupees 100. So then the ratio. So see the wiper and now pencil. The wiper is 48 inches and the pencil is 6 inches only. Okay. So after that, so what is the difference between the wiper and a pencil? We just subtract 48 and 6. We after that we can get 42 inches, right? So how many pencils will cover the length of one wiper? After that, what will you do, what will we do? We just divide 48 and 6. So what 48 divided by 6, which is equal to 8. Yes, if we placed 8 pencil in a wiper, we can get whole the cover of the cover the length of a one wiper. Okay, so see in this, yeah, now only we can move a ratio. Okay, we are one mother can give the chocolates to her children's. Okay, so first one is Gaurav, second person is Jay. Okay, Gaurav can get two chocolates and Jay can get three chocolates. Okay, so after that, what how we can write the ratio? First person get 2, so that is 2. See, then the second person get 3 chocolates, so that is 3. In a ratio means this symbol is we should mention here. The 2 dots colon we should put here. Okay, between the two numbers. So 2 is to 3. Okay, so after that we can write this ratio term in a divided method. So which number is first, we should write in a numerator, and which number is comes to after colon, we should write in a denominator. Okay, so see, after that the Gaurav got a 4 chocolates, then Jay got a 6 chocolates. After that we can write the fraction like this. So 4 then is 6. Okay, so 4 by 6, then we can write 4 in is to 6. Okay, so see, next one thing is after that Gaurav got 6 chocolates, Jay 9 chocolates. Okay, so 6 is to 9. After that we can write in a this is a numerator and this is a denominator. Okay, so then if here we can find out the one relation between both of the number. Okay, so if we multiply 2 into 2, we can get 4. In here, if we multiply 3 into 2, we can get a 6. Okay, so see here, after that, here if we multiply 2 into 3, we can get a 6. Here is 2 into 2. Okay, so here is a 3 into 2. Here 3 3s are 9. So in this and this is equal, we have already 2 by 3. So after that we have to multiply 2, 3, 4 like this. We can get a ratios terms. Okay, see, yeah, after that how we can find out? Yeah, 8 by 12, because this is the numerators terms like 4, 6, 8 are the multiples of 2. Okay, so see the denominator 6, 9, 12, these are all called multiples of 3. Okay, yes, see the ratio expressing one quantity as so many times the other quantity is called ratio. Okay, so see here, 48 by 6, which is equal to, we just simplify it, 1 6 is 6, 8 6 are 48. Okay, is in a normal way of division or a simplifying method, we don't bother about, and we don't consider about the denominator like as a 1. Okay, but in a ratio we don't omit it. Okay, so we should mention it. If the 8 is there, so 8 is to 1. Okay, see, the cost of jeans is how many times the cost of a belt? The cost of jeans is 1500 and belt is 250. Okay, so here we can cancel these 0 in denominator and numerator. Okay, so here is a 5 5s are 25, here is 3 5s are 15 and 1 0. So then 1 5 is 5, 6 5s are 30. So here is a 1 and numerator is 6. So 6 by 1, so it will be changed into 6 is to 1. So the pair of jeans is 6 times more costly than the belt. Okay. So now comparison of quantities values measured in different unit. See, first one is mentioned by cup of milk. The second one is jug of milk. So which one is biggest? The cup of milk or a jug of milk? But here I put wrong. Okay, so see how means here is a 100 milliliter, but here is a 2 liters. So which one is more than 2 liters? Okay, so after that we should convert the liter into milliliter, because here if we convert the milliliter into liter means it will be come in a decimal system. After that we can't mention the ratios. Okay, so that we should convert the liter into milliliter. Okay, so 1 liter which is equal to 1000 milliliter, so 2 liters will which is equal to 2000 milliliters. Okay, so first we should take in a 2000, because we just compared into the jug and milk. Okay, so 2000 divided by 100, so 2 zeros will be cancelled indirectly. So the denominator having a 1 and the numerator having 20. So 20 divided by 1. So here we can write in a ratio term means 20 is to 1. Okay, so the milk in the jug is 20 times more than the milk in the cup. See the another one, comparison of quantities. First one is chewing gum, then second one is biscuit. Okay, see here the chewing gum is 50 paise, not a rupees. This is a 50 paise. See here, this is Parle-G is 20 rupees. Parle-G is one of the biscuit. Okay, yes. So 50 paise and 20 rupees. So which one is biggest? 20 rupees. Okay, so we should convert out the rupees into paise. Okay, so 1 rupee has 100 paise, so 20 rupees has 2000 paise. Okay, so 2000 divided by 50, so 0 0 will be cancelled. So 1 5 is 5, 4 5s are 20, then the remaining is 0. So 40 by 1, which is equal to 40 is to 1. So Shiv spent 40 times more money than Hari. Okay. See next one, equivalent ratios. Okay. So we just compared. Here is a 21 notebooks and there is a 7 books only. Okay. So here we just find out the equivalent ratios. Okay. So first of all we should take a 21 divided by 7. So 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So the ratio is 3 is to 1. So see the second one, the group of boys are 12 boys, the group of girls are 4 girls. Okay, so here 12 divided by 4. So 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12, right? So the ratio is 3 is to 1. Okay, in before that we have a 3 is to 1, and after that we have a 3 is to 1. Okay, so here if the two ratios are comes in same, equal ratio, means it will be called as a equivalent ratios. Okay, so see, the ratios that are equal when reduced to their lowest term are known as an equivalent ratios. Okay, yeah, I will explain again in a biggest number. Okay, Ram earns rupees 15,000 in a month and spend 10,000. Express the earning and spending as a ratio. Okay, they gave the values of to income of the Ram, that is 15,000. See, and spend 10,000. Okay, so after that they gave the ratio values of earning and spending. They ask first earning, after that only spending. So we should put the earning amount that in a numerator. The spending amount comes to the denominator. Okay, so see, the 3 zeros will be cancelled. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, so 3 by 2, that is will be changed into the ratio of 3 is to 2. Okay, so see, same question. Rahim earns 21,000 rupees in a month and spend 14,000 rupees. So express the earning and a spending as a ratio. Like this same, similarly we have to do it. So 21,000 divided by 14,000. So the 3 zeros will be cancelled. So 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. So 3 by 2. Okay. So the ratio is 3 is to 2. Okay. So in a before sum we have 3 is to 2. Okay. In this in here also we have a, yeah, see, the Ram has a 3 is to 2 and Rahim has a 3 is to 2. So the ratio of earning to spending for Ram and Rahim are equivalent. See, the division of quantities values according to ratios. Two friends, Sia 36 inches in a height and Pia 48 inches in a height, plucked 7 ripe mangoes from a mango tree. They decided to share the mangoes in the ratio of their heights in inches. Okay, the two friends are Sia and Pia. Okay, Sia is 36 inches and Pia is 48 inches. Okay, see, yeah, how many mangoes? There are 7 ripe mangoes. Okay, see how many mangoes will each friend get to eat. First of all, we should measure the, to find out the ratios of their height. So we should take 36 divided by 48. Okay, so after that we have to divide it in a 4 table. 9 4s are 36, 12 4s are 48. After that 3 3s are 9. Wait, 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. So the value is 3 by 4. After that the ratio is 3 is to 4. Okay, so ratio for sharing mangoes using the ratio of 3 is to 4. So see, yeah, now they want to share the mangoes. So 3 is to 4, right? Yeah, we should mention in here 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Okay, 3 is to 4. Here, Sia share in mangoes using 3. Okay, so divided by 7 means that is the total. 3 plus 4, we can get a 7. So, yeah, we already know that in a fraction, the total is called a denominator, and the part, which part is mentioned and that counting is called a numerator. Okay, so 3 by 7 into 7. So 1 7 is 7 and 1 7 is 7. So the remaining is 3. Then Pia shared in mangoes 4 by 7. Yeah, you can understand it. So that is answer is 4. So see the height the inches ratio, that is 3 is to 4, and to sharing the mangoes also 3 is to 4. Okay, yeah, so this is called a equivalent ratio. C, division of quantities values according to ratio. Okay, so two brothers Devjyot and Premjyot buy a lottery ticket for 100 rupees. Devjyot pays 60 rupees. Premjyot pays 40 rupees. They decided to share the lottery money in the same ratio. They win a lottery of 1 lakh. How much should each brother get? Okay, see, there are two brothers, Devjyot and a Premjyot. Okay, so they bought one lottery ticket. The cost is 100 rupees. Devjyot pays 60 and Premjyot pays 40. They won a lottery ticket for 1 lakh. After that, how much amount they wanted to paid, like the same they want to share the lottery ticket amount of 1 lakh. Okay, so in first we should mention and find out the ratio of their pays money. Okay, so that is 60 divided by 40, so which is equal to, the 0 cancel, and 3 2s are 6, 2 3 sorry 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, so the ratio is 3 is to 2. So that is the ratio for sharing lottery money. Okay, so that is 100 rupees. Mention the 100 rupees. Now only we have to mention and find out the ratio of the 1 lakh. So now only they wants to share the lottery ticket amount of 1 lakh. Okay, so they've got share in lottery money. See, the ratio is 3 is to 2. Don't forget it. Okay, so after that, so 3 divided by 5. So are you know how the 5 will become? Yes, the total of the ratio is 5, so we have to write in denominator. Okay, so 3 divided by 5 into 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So after taking a 10, there are 4 zeros, right? So 1 2 3 4. So 3 after that, 3 into 20,000. So 3 2s are 6. There are 4 zeros are comes there. Okay, so that is 60,000 took for who? Devjyot. Now Premjyot share in lottery money like the same, but he has only two parts. So 2 divided by 5, 1 lakh. So here also we can get at 20,000. Then 2 into 20,000, that is 40,000. So here we can mention the same ratio. Here is a 3 is to 2, and here is also 3 is to 2. I will explain. I will change the color. Okay, 60,000 is to 40,000. Okay, so there are 4 zeros, so it will be changed, it will be cancelled. So here 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, so the ratio is 3 is to 2. Okay, so we can get in very directly way, or we can use in a divided method also. See, I will explain in a divided method. 60,000, both of it same, but the method is only changed. Okay, 40,000. So 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0. So 2 2s are 4, then 3 2s are 6. So 3 divided by 2. Sorry, this is 2. So the answer is 3 is to 2. Okay, yeah. So then we have to move in a proportion. Okay, yeah. See, Piyush wanted to buy some brushes for a coloring purpose. So 20 brushes are 240 rupees. Then Ayush bought 15 brushes, rupees 180. Okay, but now sorry, his name is Amit. Okay, so is Amit right? See the question. You have been overcharged So at the time, the another boy is having some doubts. Oh, I just spend more money. Okay, he has some doubts. So after that only they wants to realize how much money they were spent. Okay, see, ratio of quantities. In they compared only the cost. Okay, but we want to compare the quantities in first. Okay, so Piyush 20 brushes, Amit 15 brushes. Okay, so 20 divided by 15, that is 4 by 3, so 4 is to 3. Okay, so ratios of prices, so that is 240 divided by 180, so which is equal to 4 by 3 is to which is equal to 4 by 3. So this is called a equivalent ratio. Okay, so see the ratios of quantities and ratios of prices. Okay, C 20 is to 15 and which is equal to 240, which is to 180. Here, if the two ratios are equal, means we can mention this is called a proportion. Okay, see, when two ratios are equal, they are said to be in a proportion. I mean, here the numbers are not equal, but after simplifying, we can get a equal ratios. Okay, so see, yeah, here the symbol, see that, I mean a two colon set, the set of two colon, this is called a proportion. Okay, so see, yeah, I will explain. So 20 is to 15 as 240 is to 180. We can use in a using a letter we can explain it. See, here the 20, 15, 240 and 180, these are called the terms in common. Okay, see this middle two one, which is called a middle term, I mean the 15 and 240, and the which are the numbers have located in outside, that is 220 and 180, it will be called as the extreme term. Okay, so don't forget to the names. Are these are these ratios in proportion? We have to check it out. So see the first one, 40 is to 25 and 56 is to 35. We just compared it and divided it. So that is 40 divided by 25. So 8 5s are 40, 5 5s are 25. So after that we can get the ratio of 8 is to 5. So then second term is 56 divided by 35, which is equal to 8 by 5. So the ratios are same. Okay, so we can write in the ratios term using a proportion. See, 40 is to 25 proportion, 56 is to 35. Okay, so see next one. Are these ratios in proportion? Yeah, 63 liters is to 35 liters and 28 kg is to 21 kg. We just divided 63 divided by 35, we can get 9 by 5. So the ratio is 9 is to 5. Then the kg 28 divided by 21, we can get the ratio 4 is to 3. But this is not equal, so we can't put the proportion symbol. So ratios are not in proportion. Okay, like this same, are these ratios in proportion? Yeah, this is the another one example, 36 minutes, so 180 seconds. And here the second part is mentioned by the seconds, so we have to change and convert the minute into seconds. Okay, so that's why we should write in a 36 into 60. Okay, yeah, if we convert the minute into second, means we have to we have to multiply 60 with the number. Okay, so 180, 10 will be cancelled, so 3 6 are 18, 1 6 is 6, 1 3 is 3, 12 3s are 36, so 12 is to 1. Okay, so then after that 150, so 0 0, 3 3s are 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10, 1 sorry here we can't divided it after that. Okay, So after that 50 into 200 then divided by 3. So this this ratios are not equal, so this is not a proportion. Okay, so then see the unitary method. Prerna is on her way to meet her grandmother who lives in a village which is 600 kilometers away from her place. Her bus takes 12 hours to reach the village. What is the speed of the village? Sorry, what is the speed of the bus? Okay, if we find out the speed means distance covered by an object in 1 hour. Okay, so the distance covered in 12 hours, that is 600 kilometers. After traveling 12 hours only, she can reach her grandmother's village. Okay, so then if we want to find out the speed means we should know how the distance covered in 1 hour. Okay, so 600 divided by 12 we can get 50. Okay, so this is the speed of the bus. Okay, so the speed of bus which is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, yes, so had Prerna's grandmother place been 1000 kilometers away, in how many hours would Prerna have reached her grandmother's place? So time taken to cover 600 kilometers, which is equal to 12 hours. Okay, so time taken to cover in 1 kilometer, so that is 12 divided by 600 hours. Okay, so time taken to cover 1000 kilometer means we should multiply 1000. Okay, so 12 divided by 600 into 1000. So we can get 2 zeros will be cancelled. So 1666, 2 6 are 12. So 2 into 10, that is 20 hours. So Prerna would have reached her grandmother's house in 20 hours. The method of calculating of the value of one first and then many is called the unitary method. First of all, we should find one. After that only we can find out many. So this is called a unitary method. See, the annual newspaper bill of the Bajbal is 1800. So how much do they pay for newspapers in 4 months? Okay, see the newspaper bill for 12 months, that is rupees 1800. So after that, if you want to find out the amount of 4 months, we should find out the bill amount of 1 month. Okay, so the newspaper bill for 1 month, so 1800 divided by 12, so we can get 150. Yeah, I will explain. 1800. Wait. That is 1800 divided by 12. Okay, so 6 2s are 12, 9 2s are 18. So remaining is that is. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 300. So 1 2 is 2, 15 0. So okay, so 150. Like this same we have to we just find the amount of newspaper bill for 4 months. 4 month means we should find we just multiply 150 and 4, we can get a 600. Okay, yes, this is yours self assessment. Meeta contributes articles to newspaper. She writes 100 articles in a month and receive a payment of 16,000 against it. Okay, so how many articles should she contribute to earn rupees 40,000 in a month? You just see the options. After that you will find out the answers. Okay, so let us summarize what we have learnt. Expressing one quantity as so many times as the other quantity is called a ratio. So see, the colon is the symbol used to denote a ratio. Then quantities or values are converted to the same units before expressing them as a ratio. Okay, so don't forget it. After converted the quantities, then only we can find out the ratios value. Then fourth one is ratios that are equal when reduced to their lowest terms are known as equivalent ratios. Okay, here we don't compare the original value. We just reduced which one is lowest term using a simplification method. So then when two ratios are equal, they are said to be in a proportion. So double colon is the symbol used to indicate that two ratios are in proportion. Then the method of calculating the value of one first and then many is called the unitary method. Okay, I also very enjoyable in this session. I hope you are all also enjoyable. And after that, you have any doubt, you just ask me in a friendly way. I will explain again. Okay, so stay safe and be happy forever. Thank you, dears. Bye bye.